Okay, we are just about at the end of the TKG section, and after this, shortly after this, we'll move on forward to learning more about VMware with Tanzu, workload control plane, and other cool new capabilities. But first, let's review these features here as a summary of what we've talked about in this section. Right, so Tanzu Kubernetes Grid it deploys certified, conformant, open source Kubernetes. We have frequently updated Kubernetes distributions, conformance plugins. So whether it's the network interface, the storage interface, the cloud provider interface, etc., we provide those across infrastructure. VMware builds our own OS images from open source and also for their own components. Ensure you have security across that um, the distribution method there. And so multi-cloud cluster operations, right? So you can do API-driven, CLI-driven, UI-driven installation. The provisioning and the lifecycle management of Kubernetes clusters are automated. We have integration with common public cloud providers as well as vCenter. We provide services, right? Kubernetes, again, it needs lots of additional services just to be able to really be usable, let alone production grade. And so we have a full stack, and we've integrated the key services needed to you can be up and running quickly, and it can be consumed again across multiple clouds. So TKG multi-cloud across from vSphere 6.7 U3, VMC on AWS, EC2 on AWS as well, and Azure with more cloud providers coming in the future, and vSphere 7 and integrated deeply into vSphere to provide not only the Tanzu Kubernetes Grid service but additional native services within vSphere, and is in for vSphere 6.5 and GCP as well as the Azure and AWS. We have Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated Edition. And so that is the TKG features in a nutshell, and I look forward to continuing with you on the next section.